Hey everyone, so we've been getting a lot of questions about whether or not you can cook dumplings in an air fryer. The answer is yes, but with some caveats. You're gonna end up with a much crunchier dumpling. So let me just, I don't know if you can hear it. Pretty dang crunchy. So to cook your dumplings in an air fryer, all you need to do is to take your dumplings right out of the freezer, put them in your air fryer basket. You can brush them with oil or you can oil spray them. Just make sure that you get the oil on all sides. And then actually what we do is to create some steam in the air fryer, we take about 1/4 cup of water and you just take it on your fingers and just flick the water onto the dumplings. Put it into your air fryer and cook at 400 degrees for 12 to 14 minutes. So what you're getting here is crunch minus moisture. You're getting a crunchier dumpling, but it's not going to be as juicy. So something to keep in mind. So this is a frozen dumpling from the store, air fryer. This is the same dumpling, pan fried in a pan. You can tell this is a lot crunchier, but it's less juicy than this one. So it's really about personal preference. You can even see the filling in there is a bit drier. But if you like that crunch, I mean, I bit into it and it's like biting into an egg roll. And then this is the pan fried. Has more moisture. It's chewier. Still with some crunch. More of a balance. If you love your air fryer, if you don't want to cook on the stove and you want to just pop something into the air fryer and forget about it, absolutely, you can do it.